Can you see the picture? She drives the car. She drives the car. Is that active or passive voice? She drives the car. She drives the car. Active or passive? Now, excuse me, this board is pretty small, so I don't have much room, but she drives the car. Is that active voice or passive voice? Yes, it's active voice, right? She is the subject. The verb is drives, and the car is the object, right? She is the subject. Drives is the verb. The car is the object, right? Easy. Active voice. So how do we make this passive voice? Passive. Well, that's very easy. With the passive voice, we take the object, the car, and we put it in the position of the subject. Okay? So let's make it passive. Start the sentence with the object of the active voice sentence. So, the car, what? Now, it doesn't matter the tense. We can use the passive voice in all the different tenses, right? But we need the verb to be. So we need the object, which is now in the position of the subject. Now we need the verb to be. The car, am, is, or are. Simple present, am, is, or are. The car is, okay. And now we use the past participle. The car is driven. The car is driven. That's the passive voice. Okay. Now, what happened to the subject? The subject was she. So now that's called the agent, and I can say, this is optional. I can say by her. I could say the car is driven by her. The car is driven by Susie. The car is driven by Jessica. Okay. That's called the agent. But the car is driven, that's the passive voice, right? Something happens to the car, right? The active voice, the subject does the action, and the object receives the action, right? So in the passive voice, we take the object, in this case the car, and we put it in the position of the subject, and we say, what is happening to it? Not what is it doing? What is happening to it? Right? That's active and passive voice. Understand?